Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging with Open Charge Map Smart Routing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started on installing your EV charging with Open Charge Map Smart Routing, first, ensure that you have a reliable internet connection. Begin by downloading the Open Charge Map mobile app or accessing their website on your preferred device. Create an account if you haven't done so already to unlock all features. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the charging station map on the home screen. Use the search bar to find your desired location or browse nearby stations. Select an EV charging station that suits your needs based on the filters available. Check the station's availability and specification details such as connector types and power levels. Once you choose a station, jot down its details or save it for easy access later. Next, navigate to your site's specific location where you plan to install the charger. Before installation, make sure you meet any local electrical codes and regulations. Now, gather all necessary equipment including the EV charger, cables, and tools. Follow the manufacturer's installation instructions carefully for your selected EV charger. Secure all electrical connections and ensure they are properly insulated. Connect the charger to your power supply using the appropriate circuit breaker. After the physical installation is complete, it's time to set up the software. Return to the Open Charge Map app and log in to your account. Add your newly installed charging station to the map by entering the relevant information. Specify operational hours and charging fees if applicable. Submit the information to update the Open Charge Map database. Finally, test the charging station to ensure it's functioning correctly. Monitor its performance through the app for any future updates or maintenance needs. Your EV charging station is now ready, and you can navigate to it easily using the Open Charge Map Smart Routing feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.